Guys, so I'm still not feeling well. Until now, I lost my voice. I still have cough and cold. So, so, oo. So, kalayan pagod ako ni pamatsyag sa karon sa talaga na makiramdam ko. So, inantay ko na lang yung kaibigan ko kasi pupunta kami ng dining hall, kakain kami ng lunch. So, I will share it with you guys kung ano yung, namin dito, yung schedule or kung yung, ano yung lifestyle na meron kami dito sa Middle East. We're announcing here, but we had a life of luxurious life, as we said. I think it's a very luxury thing for us kasi, how to say, free yung food namin, nakakain namin yung what we want. Like, for example, we can eat like Western food, we can eat like European food, we can eat like Arabian food, just like that. Like, for example, in Southeast Asia, makakain namin yung food nila, or Western Asia, maano namin sila, like Chinese food, ganun, makakain namin if we want to like, or we want to taste it, ganun. So, I will share it with you, so I'm just like waiting for her, and then we will go there. So, pupunta kami ng dining hall today. So, yeah, it's walking distance. Ayan. Siya si Maria Saparas. Yung nalink ko sa comment section ng aking channel. Subscribe nyo siya, guys.
Yes, guys, thank you.
So, yan yung dining hall namin. Diyan. Ayan. Yan yung dining hall. So, we will walk like maybe 5 minutes. I'm not that really hungry, but I think I really need to eat something because I think I need to drink medicine today. So, ayan. So, dito sa camp, meron din kami tinatawag na Burger King. Ayan. But this is our way para kumain. This is our house here. Just like cabin. We also have pool, a gym, as a leisure area, Starbucks. So, yep. Ito yung tawag na kinakainan natin. The terrace. Ayan. Goes to the terrace. So this is our food here in Asian. It's a chicken broth. Oo. Asian ata. Gata to ya, oh?
Yeah, picture.
Parang sa
Sashado.
Oh, parang ganyan.
Thank you.
Fried rice. Ano meron dyan? Ay,
हाथ भीतर देखी नहीं हाथ ऊपर तक भीतर बात करेंगे
tawag ko with the beef. Ay, sorry. We also have... I don't know what to eat. Nakita na naman ako ng chocolate cake. Ano lang ko chocolate cake. Taco. Nope. Anong kainin ko? Kakanyan? So, okay. At a small portion lang. Lettuce. Cucumber. Tapos, radish. And then, may blue cheese. Tapos, ito cheese. Ayan. Tapos, parmesan. May dragon seeds ka, te? Sunflower na lang, tapos, walnuts. Why did you go and check? Sorry. Thank you. Yes.
just one piece yeah
Ano na kinuha mo? Can I get one portion as well, please? Kaya nga. So I am having brownie and Hamilton for dessert. Make your own salad, and then beef, and then orange water. So see me healthy. So we're done eating lunch. We're having a not peanut, it's a butter salted caramel ice cream. Kaya ako nito kahit na may ubo kasi yun daw yung medicine sa ubo. So ayan. Hindi ako magdaan, kakatakot. Baka maano yan So everything is free dito, guys. As long as na may e-wallet ka from the community app. If you're a resident here, working here, may e-wallet ka.